Alright, I finally got the transmission off. And I'm working on the rear main seal. Taking this off. Kind of loud. There we go. Alright. Now the seal is good. Looks like the seal is in decent shape. Alright, the seal looks decent, but apparently it's leaking oil from the bottom end. So we ain't taking no chances. Believe me anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 screws that going. I'm missing one. I'm about to drop one. Yeah, there we go. And this is the transmission to engine bolt. A whole bunch of tins. So let's see what I got up under here. Don't tell me my tin is in the fucking box way over there. Hold on. I'm going to get them. Let me show y'all how to take this off. Ouch. Gotta rock on my damn knee just now. Uh-oh. There we go. 10 millimeter. Take that off pan loose. And then you rear main seal. Unbutton that real fast. Won't take long for that. I know I ain't gonna finish it today, but trying to work with one hand. Record the video at the same time. I could possibly finish it today, because it's only like 3 seconds. Ouch. Probably be like 7 o'clock before y'all get this load up. And as you can see, it says 4853 on the back of the block. That's how you know you got a 48 or 53. The motor's the same. Connected by assembly is different. I think also the piston sizes are the same. We're gonna take any rear main seal off. It's gonna be kind of gentle, not really. I don't really want all that oil on my board. But as you can see, when you start prying that apart, the oil starts coming out. Oh, I got 2 screws going up. I forgot about those 2. That one and that one. And then there you go. And you separate just like that. You take it off. That's your rear main seal and your rear main seal cover plate gasket. I'm surprised it didn't crack off yet, but it seemed kind of hard. There we go. So that's how you do that. And clean that plate up. I'm gonna razor clean it. And you can see you got gasket material all over the plate. So obviously they must have did a rear main seal and oil pan gasket a while back. Good while back anyway. Pretty old shit right here. And we like to do them a different way.
What's up, Jeff? Hey, you checked on that lock cylinder for me? For the trunk lock?
So I'm gonna clean everything up under here. And I'm gonna drain the oil for the motor. Take the oil pan gasket down. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up first and get this prepped up, ready to go back together. And I'm gonna prep this up first. That's pretty much how you do a rear main seal and oil pan. Well, not the oil pan, but the rear main seal. You gotta take the transmission off. But the oil pan, you just gotta remove these 3 bolts on this side, these 3 bolts on this side. Take that plate off and unbolt the whole the pan. You don't have to take you got 2 transmission bolts you gotta take out. That's this one and this one, and the 2 long ones that I just took out just now, and these 2 long bolts that go to the rear main seal, and the rest of the oil pan bolts all the way down on both sides. And the oil pan comes off, and you don't even have to take the filter off to change the oil pan gasket. You can leave the filter on the pan. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end up changing. I gotta change the oil anyway, so I'm gonna do all of that in the process. But as you can see, I'm trying to get it done. I need to clean my lens on my phone. Hold on. Yeah, nope, that probably made it worse. Hold on. I made the video a little worse than what it was. Let me try to clean y'all up a little bit. There we go. That's a lot better. I had to glove. Alright. Trying to upload some better content, like I said before in my previous video. Upload some better content so you gals and girls can see how I do business and how I do work. Okay. Got a little water leak coming from the back, but I gotta remember I ranked the engine down. So I'm pretty sure it got coolant in this motor. So now I gotta drain the oil in. Let's see. Yep. That's the right size. I'll go ahead and drain the oil out this block. And get another oil pan. One problem I hate with GM is these things right here. When you're underneath the bottom of here, I guess you're supposed to be on a lift doing this type of work. But when you're under the bottom, like I am, I'm actually sitting on the ground and the vehicle is jacked up. So I'm sitting down, and I've been doing it for a while, so I know the precautionary magic to take when dealing with this. And I always hit my head or my arm on this sharp ass edge. GM, y'all need to stop doing that. And last time I hit my head on, I had blood coming from my damn brain. Technically not my brain, but I cut my skin open on my head. And these are all the parts for the supercharged SS Monte Carlo. Actually, these are all the old parts that can go in the trash can. Can't do nothing with them until the guy comes with the rest of the parts for that. Hopefully soon. I don't like hitting my head on that damn thing right there. And people that work on cars, right? Normally when people start, hold on. We always hit our fucking heads on, and I hate to say curse words. I try to make my video less profanity as possible. No children violence video. Oh, alright, there go the oil. Pretty thick. And pissing on in. All that oil come out. Can't crank it up anyway. Oh, that's the camshaft. See that? Right there? That's the camshaft. If you didn't know what that was, that's the camshaft. You can't pull the camshaft off in the rear, I don't think. But that is the camshaft for. That is a screw plug for the camshaft, I believe. Yeah, I believe it's the screw plug for the camshaft. I don't think the camshaft come all the way to the very end like that. But if it does, I wouldn't know. Honestly, I really wouldn't know. But I haven't disassembled a full 5.3. I got one, but I haven't disassembled one. Thought about doing, taking the GMC Arcadia that I'm trying to get and make it into an all-wheel drive model. That way I can, I don't really want to go off-road with the car, but I want something with a little bit more power since it got the Captain Shield and everything in it. I want the full Denali all-wheel drive model, or the LTZ or the SLT model, which don't have the chrome package. And I want the chrome package on it. I want the got all my oil on it. I just gotta give me some carb cleaner, wipe everything down, get this prepped up. I'm gonna plug the transmission up. I'm gonna take me another break. And in fact, I need to close the hood. I don't need the hood open no more. I can close the hood up. That way I can have less light, so that way my video will focus a little bit better for y'all. I'm gonna get me a new camera soon, cause I need a new video cam. All right, y'all. That's it.